Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be showing you how to make some garden mushrooms using items from the Dollar Tree. First, you're going to need some of the plastic bowls from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some of the colored glass vases, also from Dollar Tree. So I am doing 4 mushrooms, so I got 4 different colors of the vases. You're going to need some paint. You're going to need some rocks to weight down the vase, and this bag of rocks came from Dollar Tree. You will also need some spray paint, and I just picked up this spray paint at Walmart, and then I picked up my clear coat at Hobby Lobby. You will also need some E6000 glue, and I'm also using Gorilla Glue brand hot glue. You'll need some paint brushes, and I think that's about it. In the drop-down box below, I will write a materials list for you. So first, we took the plastic bowls outside, and my son spray painted them, and then we let them dry. So I believe he did 2 coats of blue, and this paint came from Walmart. It's Krylon brand. And so after it had time to dry, we brought them back inside, and I found these cute sponge brushes, I believe at Dollar Tree, but I found out the sponge brushes work the best and the easiest, but if you have some stencils, that would work great too. So I just added polka dots on my mushrooms with the sponge brushes, and I had a couple different sizes. I tried to do the polka dots the same color as the vase I was going to be using so that they would match up, but you can do it however you like. That's just the way I did mine. So I just first added the polka dots, then let the paint dry. Next, my daughter and I went outside and we added the rocks to the vases. Now we only used 1 bag, but I bought 2, so 2 bags would probably fill the vases up to the top, but we just went a little better than halfway on all 4 of ours, and we thought that was enough. And so this is how they look. And the rocks are kind of dusty, so you might want to do this outside. Next, I am adding E6000 to the top rim of the vase, and then I'm going to take my bowl, and on the inside of my bowl I'm going to add the Gorilla Glue brand hot glue, and then I'm just going to take my bowl and place it over the E6000 and let it dry for 24 hours. Make sure that you let the E6000 have time to dry before you move your mushrooms. Okay, so this is how my 4 look. And so the last thing I did was add the clear coat. So you'll want to take them outside again and spray on the clear coat. So after you add your clear coat, you'll want to let the clear coat dry. And then you're ready to add your cute little mushrooms to your garden. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's doing good and staying safe, and I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree tutorial. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share. And I just wanted to say thank you to Sue. I got my inspiration from Sue on Facebook. I just had to add this cute little clip of Taco to the end because I know a lot of people ask about her. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope the weather is beautiful where you are.